or to translate. Albeit not as well as my pal Bard or ChatGPT could, generative artificial intelligence can pretty much do whatever it wants, anything we want it to. And if we don't ask it, another enterprise will, and that competitor will get the answer faster and better than we can arrive at it, which is why everybody is ordering all this stuff. More important, it's very hard to come up with something your brain does that AI doesn't do in a smarter, faster fashion. Off the top of your head, go back to when you were at school. Wouldn't you say that other than recess, it's more efficient and effective than anything you tried to learn and they tried to teach? At least we still have the monkey bars, seesaws. Compared to AI, we're just slouches. I mean, as someone who was tracked in track 4 of 4, with the 1 being the best, I can tell you that hands down, I can't think of a thing that I learned that's valuable now versus what I can get from these machines. We should have just sat there and watched Our Mr. Sun or that movie about the dinosaurs walking to their death in the desert, enjoyed ourselves. But then again, I don't want to sell either of these too short. I got real smart after track 4 and got summa cum laude in my general exams at Harvard. But I can tell you, once again, that was mainly because I have trouble sleeping, so I could stay up for a 48-hour cram session and still take the test really well. What's scary is that I think Bard, not ChatGPT, but I think Bard could have crushed me. All that study for nothing. Okay, I digress. Here's what's really crazy. Both programs managed to spit out pretty much everything that we humans need to do at the office. In the old days, scientists and technicians and engineers would find ways to obviate jobs where we had to use our hands. Now it seems to obviate our brains. So, to go full circle, because AI is so amazing, we may never again have enough semiconductors to meet the demand of all those use cases, because it's hard to think of something these two programs really can't do. Yes, tonight we have Cintas, which delivers uniforms and safety equipment to 1 million clients, but they like Google Cloud, probably immune. Domino's Pizza, hard to think that machines couldn't do better. How about talking with they use Microsoft? Levi's, good company, but I wouldn't be surprised if AI can't make it better. These tasks all seem like the height of machines' creativity. But you know what? We're actually still just in the first year of the explosion. The good news, generative AI can't do everything. The bad news, what it can do, it does better than we'll ever do, unless maybe you're Einstein or Beethoven or Oppenheimer and Mozart. I would want to say Picasso, Matisse, but I've seen what those two can do with modern art, and nobody's safe in that profession anymore. Bottom line, once AI really gets going, boy, will we ever have a lot of time on our hands. All the more reason to invest in stocks now before the robots put us out of work and all the easy money has been made.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.